is Mansur Iqbal and you are watching my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how this machine is work, because many times you see the some worders have a lipping. This one is a there is a glue system. This is all machine we was already repaired. There is some issue, and also we was installed the one small PLC for that. That one PLC was installed already. Here is that. Also this one is a full machine. There is also have a VFD system inside. That one. Okay, and another side for each pump and motor have a separate VFD and system. Okay. So this is all machine, all work with VFD and air pressure system. So now I'm going to show you how this slipping machine will work, because many times the person see is like this is like wood or something, they make a lip. See this one, the black, and we was already make it, and now we're going to show you how to make this. Now I'm going to start this one, drag or run the machine. Okay, now it's running. See, here is the glue and this is the lipping. Already we have installed there. Okay, just put it inside. Now he put it, giving smoothly. Now see, the wood is coming. Here is see nothing. And this side, see, automatically he cut it. Then going to inside. Okay. This one. And see, the result is very nice. In this side and in this side is very perfect and clear. Give me. Very perfect and very clearness and very clean. So just put it in another side. I will show you the back side. Okay. This side. The first sensor will give signal to that one. Okay. This is different. See how it should work. This is like this. Now going to cutting automatically. Go to another filling. Go to another step to filing. And last is close. And here is a rubber and finish. See the finishing is like this. So this machine is a SC106 model made from, I think it's China. So this machine is available in the Alliance Naya Street number I think is a 4 or 5 near Bengali Masjid. The building name is MIH. If somebody need to be contact with him like this, have some word need lipping or something about wood or somewhat, so you can contact in my comments, or I will provide the number for this MIH building, so you can contact with him and contact, and we do is like this. So this is one more thing where he was cutting the extra lipping. There is one, I show you. This is the extra. See this one. This is a spare. After that, when finish, we will clean the machine. That's it. Okay. Now I'm going again. Start once more. This is a very small place, so I try again. Okay. See. See, the finishing is very perfect. Finishing from this side is very perfect. And both sides is very clean and neat and clean. Like this. I try to another side. I think the lipping is like this. Going to stop.